Welcome to INR Auto. The 2025 Puma brings significant upgrades, especially in technology. A key highlight is the new 12-inch touchscreen display, powered by Ford's latest Sync 4 system. This upgrade delivers faster performance and a more intuitive interface, appealing to tech-savvy drivers. However, the integration of climate controls into the touchscreen may annoy those who prefer the ease of physical buttons for quick adjustments. The 12.8-inch driver's display is another noticeable improvement, offering smoother navigation through essential driving information and a clearer view of critical data, keeping drivers more focused. Additionally, the redesigned steering wheel, while unconventional at first glance, proves to be comfortable and user-friendly once you hit the road. Though the technology impresses, the interior materials remain largely unchanged. Hard plastic still dominates surfaces like the dashboard and center console, which some might find less premium. Despite this, the Puma compensates with practicality. The 456-liter trunk is more than adequate for daily use, and folding down the rear seats expands it to an impressive 1,216 liters. Plus, Ford has retained the clever megabox storage compartment, ideal for messy or wet items. Exterior changes are subtle for 2025, with the most noticeable being the repositioned Ford badge, alongside new color and wheel options. Engine choices remain similar, with the 1.0-liter turbocharged three-cylinder available in 123 or 153 horsepower variants. Although the high-powered 197 horsepower Puma ST is discontinued, the ST PowerShift version offers 168 horsepower and a 7-speed automatic transmission for added performance. With 4 trims available: Titanium, ST Line, ST Line X, and the performance-focused ST, the 2025 Ford Puma offers something for everyone. Prices start around £25,800, and even the base models come well-equipped with features like dual displays, LED lights, and multiple driving modes. Overall, the 2025 Ford Puma strikes a solid balance between modern tech, practicality, and driving enjoyment, keeping Ford's legacy of exciting cars alive. The Ford Fiesta left a void in many fans' hearts when it was discontinued, but Ford quickly introduced the Puma to fill that gap. This compact crossover has gained popularity, offering a mix of driving fun, practicality, and modern features. So, does the 2025 Ford Puma live up to the high expectations set by its predecessor? Let's explore. Thanks for watching INR Auto. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.